Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the new tutorial from the SketchUp Work Studio. Today we have some special tutorial about the SketchUp 3D modeling and I hope you enjoy this video. So before we start this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's get to work. Today I'm going to show you how we can model some type of complicated heavy decorative models like the curvy doors and curved tables. So I'm going to start my job with the rectangle. I'm going to draw some simple rectangle with some dimension about, for example, 46 to 124, something like that. Alright, I'm going to click on the tape measure and I have some measurement about 24 in here and another 24 in here. So I want to create some curved edges in this place and both sides. So how can I do it? I'm going to click on the 2-point arc in here and draw my 2-point arc very simple and easy like that with some budge about 23 and I press enter. Another budge for this place with the 2-point arc about 23 and everything is done for us right now. I'm going to open the paint bucket and I'm going to click on the eraser. I'm going to clean all of these extra faces and edges in this place. So I'm going to select these edges in here and click on the Identity Info for more details. As you can see, all of the lines in 3D world have some segments. In SketchUp, you can manage the segments from the paint bucket and Identity Info when you select them. So I'm going to select these edges in here and convert segments from 12 to 24 and press enter. As you can see, the result of our job is much smoother than the past. But it's only for the tutorial, so I'm going to reduce it to the 18. And in this place, I'm going to select it and convert it to the 18 again. And now it's done for us. I'm going to click on the push or pull option. Press Ctrl and extrude my job a little bit, about 88 centimeter. So I'm going to convert all of it to the group and now time for creating some complicated models on it. So I'm going to start my job with the rectangle box in here and I want to hold my cursor on this segment in this place and draw some rectangle in here. I'm going to double click on it and convert it to the component and press enter. So I need some rotational copies in this place for this area. So I'm going to click on the rotate option here and I'm going to find the center point of this angle. I'm going to press Ctrl and left click from this end point to this place. And now I only want to type 17x and press enter. As you can see, very simple and quick, we create these type of things in SketchUp. So I'm going to select these components in here, hold shift and deselect my main body. I'm going to click on the move option and take some copy on green axis. So I'm going to click on the flip option, green axis in here, and another time I'm going to move it from this edge to this end point in here. So everything done for us right now, and I only want to click on one of them, and as you can see, when I extrude one of them, all of them will extrude at the same time. So I need some number about 1 centimeter and I'm gonna reduce the size of it from the left sides for all of them about 3 millimeter. So I'm gonna type 0.3 centimeter for all of them and press space. So this is my first part of the modeling. Second part related to the main door. Imagine we have two doors for this decorative thing in here. So I'm going to click on these model in here, use the offset option in this place, and I'm going to add some offset about 1 centimeter like that. So I'm going to click on the rectangle, draw some rectangle to the midpoint, and I'm going to convert it to the component, and everything is done for us. So another copy, click on the flip option. I take copy on the green axis, so I want to flip it to the green axis again. So I'm going to click on it, use the extrude option, add it for the 1 centimeter like that, very simple. And now I can add some small details on my job like that. So I want to create some curved doors with some curved designs for my doors in this model, but I don't know how. So I'm going to click on one of them. I'm going to click on the 2-point arc again. From the midpoint, about 2.6 centimeter. And we have some waves like that on our job. Like this. And I'm going to repeat for all of them. Like that. So now we have two-point arced lines in here. So I'm going to select all of them and take some copies about 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and I think 7 is the best number for it. So I'm going to delete these extra lines in here. And now we have only one step for completing our design, and it's related to the push or pull option. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to extrude it a little bit, about 4 millimeter. And now I can remove it like that. As you can see, we create this type of model very simple and easy, only in a few minutes. So for this place, I'm going to explode for the second. Take some copy with this face, another time select all of them and convert it to the group, and I'm going to click on it and extrude it a little bit, about 2 centimeter. Everything is done for us. I'm going to convert it to the make group and fit it to my model. Very simple and easy. For the holders of this job, I'm going to use the circle, or I can use the rectangle. It depends on you. For example, I prefer to use circle job in here. Draw some circle about 2 centimeter, convert it to the component and press enter. And now I'm going to adjust it with some normal numbers. For example, 1 copy in here, another one in here, and we need 2 copies in this place. For example, something like that. I'm going to fit it, move it, and now I'm going to click on the flip job in here. I need to flip it like that. And I think everything is done for us right now. So another flip, and I'm going to extrude it a little bit, about 9 centimeter. Select this face in here, use the scale option, and rescale my job about 0.5. And this is the final result that you can see in here. The result is completely wonderful. So I'm going to click on the materials. I'm going to use the stone textures. I need some gold stone for my face, but it's not work good, so I'm going to use the marble. I'm going to go to the edit mode and reduce the texture size to the 34 and 34. So I change all of these settings in here, and in this place I'm gonna click on the color named and select some special color like the medium sea green for my jobs in this place. As you can see, when I click on one of them and add this texture to it, all of them will convert at the same time, and it's really wonderful. You can change the main color with these color library ID in this place. It's really simple and easy. For example, 250 for the red channel and some number about 110 for this place and another about 78 for this place. So everything is done for us right now, and this is the final result of the job. So I'm going to convert it to the group, and move it to the origin point like that. So for the final job, I'm gonna click on the scenes in here, and I'm gonna select these type of angled area for it, 124, and it's done for us. So I'm gonna add my scene number 1 in here and close it at the style button. I'm gonna change the environment very fast and easy. It completely depends on you and your taste. So I'm gonna turn off the sky and turn off the model axis and refresh my styles in here. And this is the final result that we have in here. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for your watching. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more tutorials, and goodbye.